Hey everybody. This is a perfect opportunity to carry on the conversation from yesterday. I just want to ask you, what would you do if something happened and you ended up having a bad accident or something and you weren't able to work for a couple weeks? And how would you handle that? So right here is the scene of the crime, and I'll tell you a little bit more about that and what my backup plan is if you stick with me to the end of this video. Alright, so I gotta start these videos with my nose now. Yeah, I had a pretty bad accident yesterday. The ambulance had to come, and they call it a partial degloving, where I ended up having 39 stitches in a horseshoe shaped 21 centimeters or something. Yeah, it was a gaping wound. They call it a partial degloving. Wasn't pretty. I thought it was going to be like my last day on earth. But what happened was I was pruning the crepe myrtle you saw, and well, I should have known better. The ladder was unstable, and it went sideways, and I went straight down. And when I was coming down, I think one of the crepe myrtle branches that I had just tried to murder was getting back at me. Yeah, but man, I really let myself down, and I let other people down, because this is one of the worst times to have I mean, there's never a good time to have an accident, but when you're in the process of getting started with a business opportunity, and you're trying to make things work too by supplementing it with some gig work, and and finances are tight. So that's what I want to ask you. What would you do? Leave me a comment down below. What's your backup plan? I mean, maybe you got thousands, and maybe you got months worth of money in the bank ready for an emergency, which that's what smart people do. And I haven't always been the smartest person, and I've lived life on the edge in a lot of ways, and I've been very fortunate that other awful things haven't happened to me. But thing is, though, is this happened on the same wrist as when I slipped in the mud when I was working on my pool, and it was right over here. So right over here is the other scene of the crime. In September, I got it all wet over here from draining the pool, and man, the mud here in Mississippi is really slippery. You ever seen that movie, My Cousin Vinny? And he's got his Cadillac stuck in the mud in the South. Yeah. And then he slips and falls. Yep, that was me. Really fast, too. But, and this happened really fast yesterday, too. And the ambulance had to come, and the morphine was nice, but, oh my God. I would rather would have rather that I had gone out and done something else, or stayed in bed or something. Man, so I'm a little bit. You know what? I'm trying to look at this as like an opportunity to live the things that I was talking about yesterday, where I mentioned that sometimes, because of latent energy and our vibration inside, that bad things happen even when we're in a good place. And I was not in a bad place yesterday. I was in a good place. I've been working on this medication I've been taking for this unspecified bipolar, and maintaining my sobriety and things like that. I'm working spiritual principles. I'm staying in a pretty relevantly good place, and the medication is definitely helping me manage my state a lot easier. But so bad things can happen when you're in a good place, but good things can happen when you're in a bad place too. I mean, how many times does that happen? Just unexpected windfall of something good when you're like in just a desperate need or something, feeling really low. Yeah, so I'm going to look at this as like an opportunity to, move forward. I mean, I have this backup plan that I'm working on with this side hustle. And what's amazing about it is that I'm also trying to get into, I've been training for the call center, the live call center, which is going to help you all when you sign up. So there'll be some live onboarding and then AI follow-ups. And what's really powerful about that is like AI is doing the texting, the emailing, and the ringless voicemail. And then the not the AI, but the live call center is also working to connect with leads and, see if they're needing any help with their onboarding, getting their dashboard set up and the multiple streams of income. And it's powerful and it's a great team. And, the whole platform is designed for lead generation and follow-up. And you might say, well, what the hell do I need leads for? Well, let me tell you. So you may not need leads, okay? But I can tell you there's millions and millions and millions of affiliate marketers and people that are doing network marketing, which is MLM, which everybody hates, cringes when you say MLM. Oh, right? But these people need leads. And not only that, but they need a way to follow up on these leads. They also need their teams to be able to duplicate that success and being able to generate leads and have a way to follow up. I mean, I used to buy leads, and man, the worst thing that I could do, the worst thing that I had, the thing that I had the most trouble doing was managing the follow-up and trying to keep organized on who I'd called and how many times I tried to call them, how many times they didn't hang up, how many times they didn't answer. And so anyway, so what I'm saying is that there's a lot of people like that need leads, and they need a way to follow up. Affiliate marketers need a lot of leads for their products and services. So what I'm saying is this platform is generating leads through a lead source and also by running ads. And these ads are people that are looking for leads. And this platform has reasonably priced leads and a membership. So like, for a certain amount per month, they can get like 500 leads a month or whatever, or another level, they can get like 100 leads a month for a certain price. And so what you do is you position yourself as a member who's receiving these kinds of leads. And each time one of them converts and becomes a member, you're going to earn 25% commission on whatever their membership is. Like if they're paying, let's say they're paying $200 a month for 500 leads, you're making $50 per member that signs up for that level of membership. And that's month after month. And just think if that builds, when, let's say you sign up as that member at 500 leads a month, well, your membership is covered after like a month. But the thing is that if it takes a little bit longer, if it takes up to 90 days and you still haven't converted enough members to cover your membership, well, there's an assurance plan, which is amazing. There's no other platform that will do this, is that they will assurance guarantee that if you're not in profit mode, at least covering your membership after 90 days, you don't have to keep paying your membership, but they're going to keep giving you leads until you are. Oh my God. I mean, with all the things, plus the multiple streams of income that are built into the platform that you can take part in, and the ad packs, the co-op ad packs that you can purchase. I mean, it's an amazing, amazing opportunity. And if you're looking for one, I would suggest that you click the link below. But because of my arm, I can't point downwards. I can kind of go like this, I guess. But most of the time I got to go click the link below. I even got to turn the camera on and off my nose. So we'll see you on the next video.